This 2017 Newmar Bay Star Sport 2903 is a Class A RV. It is located in Fife, Washington, 98424 and is offered for sale by Johnson RV Fife. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Newmar and features a tan interior, sleeps 4, slide-out, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features rear bedroom. This 2017 Newmar Bay Star Sport 2903 is built on a Ford F53 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.